Welcome back to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. This is Taz. I'm going to take you through a brand new style by Rene Of Paris. This one is called Luca in the color White Rose Blonde. It's the perfect little choppy textured pixie with lots of curl and volume. It's very affordable and easy to wear. Remember, you can find it right here at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, expand the description box, there will be a direct product link. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing on this style. If you like this genre of style, I think you're gonna love Luca. So let's get into the specs and measurements of Luca. It's about 4.5 inches on the front, 4.5 on the crown. It tapers down into a 1.75 inch nape. There's shaggy layers everywhere. You can just move and manipulate this to get the exact look that you want around the face. This is made from heat-friendly fiber by Rene Of Paris. So those tend to be a little easier to manipulate with just the heat of your hand or your heat tools to make it your own. It's such a versatile little style as well. You can see it has a choppy back. The choppiness and the wave just carry on throughout the style. Absolutely effortless. So you can move that bang to the side, and depending on the length of your forehead, you can wear it straight down. Now, typically 4.5 inches is too long for me to wear it straight down, but actually because there's a little bit of an under curl, I'm able to get that look really nicely. We're going to go through some more of this also in the styling. Let's take a look at the inside of this cap. This is a traditional made cap. So you're going to see open wefts on the top, sides, and back. This does have quite a bit of permatease to obscure the wefting, also to give you that lift and that oomph all day long. It's sustainable without having to style or spray it. You could use a little bit of paste or some sort of styling spray to hold and set the style. So you do notice the pull strap type adjusters. I did have to cinch this in a bit to accommodate my petite average circumference. I feel like this is really suitable for that average style circumference. Let's discuss that white rose blonde. Now, I do have a problem with this color on this particular style. I loved white rose blonde on the NYX style. I thought that that worked out very, very well. It is a creamy white blonde with some sandy pieces throughout. And then it's supposed to be a medium root. However, I find that the rooting on this particular application of White Rose Blonde is black. It's just so dark, and it's long. I really would like to see this root be a little bit lighter in color, or actually shorter of the root appearance in there as well, so that you can really get a look at this color. As it is, it's very cool. It's not quite as warm as other applications of this color that I've seen, which runs more neutral to cool. This one is pure cool. It looks like a rooted platinum or a rooted gray. It's so cool. So if you like that kind of thing, I think you're going to love the color on this particular application.